Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the ADP-400GR power supply, an internal replacement designed specifically for the PS5 Slim CFI 2000 console. If you're having power issues with your Slim, or just want a reliable backup, this could be a lifesaver. The ADP-400GR boasts some impressive features. It's built with quality components, including filter and solid-state capacitors, which should contribute to its overall stability and lifespan. The design also focuses on heat dissipation, with optimized channels to keep things cool under pressure. This is crucial for maintaining consistent performance, especially during those long gaming sessions. Compatibility is key, and this power supply is specifically made to replace the ADP-400GR model in the PS5 Slim CFI 2000. It's always important to double-check your console's model number before ordering any replacement parts to ensure a proper fit. Looking at the technical specs, the ADP-400GR supports a dual voltage input of 100-127V at 4.5A and 200-240V at 2.3A, both at 50-60 Hz. The output is plus 12V at 31A. This dual voltage design is a great feature, making it suitable for use in different regions without needing a separate voltage converter. This ensures a safe and stable power source for the console, no matter where you are. YGMKOI highlights the power supply's efficiency, stating that it uses advanced power conversion technology to minimize energy loss and maintain a stable voltage output. This is not only good for the environment, but also helps to keep your electricity bill down. More importantly, it ensures that the PS5 Slim receives the consistent power it needs for optimal performance. The package includes a toolkit, which is a nice bonus. This could be especially helpful if you're not experienced with console repairs. Remember to always exercise caution and consult online guides or professional help if you're unsure about any step of the installation process. Overall, the ADP-400GR power supply seems like a solid replacement option for the PS5 Slim. With its focus on quality components, efficient power conversion, and broad compatibility, it aims to provide a reliable and stable power source for your console. If you're in the market for a replacement power supply, the ADP-400GR is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.